So Bill, one of the soldiers, told his friend or reminded his friend that it was a reserved compartment and it would be illegal to enter it. Janta Reserve, Army, Fauj, exclaimed Jim, pointing to his khaki shirt. Now, his friend Jim, this is the name of the other soldier, he told Bill that it was reserved for the Janta. Janta means the common people, the ordinary Indians. The rules were for the ordinary Indians, but they were not ordinary Indians. They belonged to the army. They were Englishmen. Fauj means army. So they had some special privileges and they could do anything. Actually, what Jim wanted to say that they were white people and they had total control over the local population, and what was forbidden to the local Indians was not forbidden to them. যেটা সাধারণ ভারতীয়দের কাছে নিষিদ্ধ সেটা তাদের কাছে নয়। একদম যাও, get out. And then Jim rudely ordered Mohanlal to get out, and he spoke to him in Hindi, just like Mohanlal. Just as Sir Mohanlal spoke to the servants in Hindi, this Englishman also spoke in Hindi to Sir Mohanlal. Sir Mohanlal, a graduate from Oxford University, Mohanlal, barrister, bar in law, educated, highly educated, brought up in England, who speaks English in an impeccable manner, was asked by an ordinary English soldier to get out of the compartment, and he told it in Hindi because the British treated the Indians as their servants, just as Mr. Mohanlal treated his fellow countrymen as his servants. I say, surely, protested Sir Mohan in his Oxford accent. Accent means the style of pronunciation, uchcharoner dhoron. Sir Mohanlal does not speak English in an Indian accent. We speak English in Indian accent. The Americans speak English in American accent. The Spanish will speak English in Spanish accent. Every race, every nation has its own accent. প্রত্যেকেরই উচ্চারণ বিভিন্ন একটা রকম আছে, but Sir Mohanlal's accent was Oxford accent. That means he could speak English in the accent of an Englishman. তিনি ঠিক ইংরেজদের মতো ইংরেজি বলতে পারেন. The soldiers paused. It almost sounded like English. The pause means to stop. When Sir Mohanlal started speaking in British accent, when he started speaking English in British accent, the English soldiers were a little confused because they had never heard an Indian speaking English in Oxonian accent. Oxforder accent ইংরেজি বলছে এরকম ভারতীয় তার আগে দেখেনি, so they were a bit confused. It almost sounded like English, and they looked at Sir Mohanlal. This man is an Indian, but he was speaking English just like an Englishman. But they knew better than to trust their inebriated ears. Inebriated means under the influence of alcohol, under the influence of wine. These people had drunk too much, and they thought that as they were drunk, they were thinking that the Indian was speaking in British accent. যেহেতু তারা মদ খেয়ে আছে মাতাল, তাদের মনে হলো যে মদ খেয়েছে বলেই তাদের মনে হচ্ছে কোনো ভারতীয় ব্রিটিশদের মতো ইংরেজি বলছে। The engine whistled and the guard waved his green flag. That means the train was about to start. They picked up Sir Mohan's suitcase and flung it onto the platform. The soldiers took up Sir Mohanlal's suitcase and without a word they threw it onto the platform. Flung is the past form of fling. To fling means to throw away. Then followed his thermoflask, briefcase, bedding, and the Times. One by one, all the possessions of Sir Mohanlal were thrown out of the compartment. First, the suitcase was thrown out, then his thermoflask was thrown out, his briefcase, his bedding, and the great newspaper, the Times, which Sir Mohanlal always held in front of him. All were thrown onto the platform. Sir Mohanlal was livid with rage. Livid, that means his face was reddish with rage. Rage means anger. For the first time, Sir Mohanlal became angry. Even when the two British soldiers had called him names, when they had called him nigger, Sir Mohanlal had not been angry. He had tried to protest in a smiling manner. But when these soldiers started throwing away all his belongings one by one onto the platform, Sir Mohanlal was now beside himself with anger. Preposterous, preposterous. He shouted, hoarse with anger. Hoarse. If a person shouts much, then his voice becomes a bit inaudible. যখন কেউ চিৎকার করে গলাটা বসে যায়, that is called hoarse. Sir Mohanlal was shouting at the top of his voice, and he called the action of the soldiers preposterous, that is nonsense or ridiculous. Hashokar. It was ridiculous because Sir Mohanlal, who always looked upon England as his motherland, Sir Mohanlal, who had a great liking for the English, was insulted by the Englishmen. That's why it was preposterous or absurd. I'll have you arrested. Guard, guard. Then Sir Mohanlal threatened that he would call in the police and he would have these two soldiers arrested, and he started shouting to call the guard. Bill and Jim paused again. To pause means to stop. When Sir Mohanlal started speaking fluently in Oxford accent, again the two soldiers stopped. Something was wrong, they thought to themselves. This Indian, he is speaking English like an Englishman. It did sound like English, but it was too much of the king's for them. Too much of the king's for them. Now English, like other languages, is of two kinds. Queen's language or king's language, and colloquial language. Queen's language or king's language means chaste English, উঁচুদরের ইংরেজি, spoken by the educated people, and colloquial English is spoken by the commoners. Now these two Englishmen, our Bengali also has these two divisions, the chaste Bengali and the colloquial Bengali. The uneducated public also speak in Bengali, but the Bengali spoken by Rabindranath or Jivanananda Das is not colloquial Bengali. They speak chaste Bengali. Here, King's English means chaste English. It was too much for Jim and Bill. Why was it too much? They could not understand it. Because as I have already told you, they were half-educated brats. এরা অর্ধশিক্ষিত. They have not gone to college. They have never gone to Balliol College or Oxford University. They were just ordinary people who do not have proper education. So even the meaning of this word preposterous was unknown to them. এই ওয়ার্ডটাই হয়তো ওরা শোনেনি. They were Englishmen, but they don't speak English like an educated Englishman. So it was too much of the kings for them. That means it was too difficult for them to understand Sir Mohanlal's chaste English. মোহনলালের বলা উঁচুদরের ইংরেজি তারা বুঝতে পারছিল. So this video comes to an end. Read up to this point. We will finish it in the next class. Thank you.